Hello everyone, so today I've got two unboxing videos for you all to watch, or rather three if you count the main box as well. But basically a few days ago I ordered a couple of things online. They both came today in the same box. So yeah, it's just a plain cardboard box. I taped up my personal details, but let's just take a look inside it. Okay, so once inside, there's nothing else inside here. And we have So, the two items I ordered are my new Galaxy Buds Plus let me just take off the receipt, and this Huawei Y9 Prime. This isn't my phone, but I get to unbox it and set it up for you and all that good stuff. So for the first unboxing video, we have the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. On the front of the box is a picture of the phone, Y9 Prime 2019, Huawei right up here. On the bottom, the barcode, serial number, color, variant and all that stuff. On the right, as well as the left sides of the box, it just says Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. On the top, Huawei. And on the back of the box, just some information regarding the packaging. So, penknife right here. Let's go ahead and cut the seal open. Now that the plastic is off, let's open it up. So right on top we have the phone itself, still in its plastic. Let's just put that aside. Right in here, just some stickers. Inside here, we have the SIM ejection tool, quick start guide, Huawei warranty card, and the silicone case, which does feel quite nice. Further inside, the charger. It is a USB-A charger. It is the USB. No, wait. Right here. It is the USB-A to USB-C cable, if you can see it. And lastly, we have the earphones. Okay, so let's take it out of the plastic. It's that easy. And there's the phone itself. Okay, so let's do a first boot up of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. English,
Get started. Region's not in here, but gonna select United Kingdom. Next, terms of use. Okay. Insert SIM card. Skip this for now. Data import. Next, connect to a network. Just gonna connect it and I'll be back. Okay, so connected to Wi-Fi. Now it's checking for updates. I will skip the Google sign-in for now. Skip account setup. Google services. Accept. Huawei ID. I'll log in later. Cloud. Skip for now. Skip. Skip as well. I guess enable all services. Later. Enable and continue. Get popular apps later as well. And there you go. That's it for the first boot up.
That's it for this unboxing video of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Thanks for watching and goodbye.